Lesson 65, Algebra 1/2. These are proportions with mixed numbers. They're no different than what we've been doing before. So you have a fraction on each side, and you just do your cross multiplying. So these two multiplied together, that's 4/9 times 1 3/4 and x times 2 1/5. So usually we write the number in front of the x, 2 1/5 x. Now whenever you multiply or you're working with fractions, it's almost always a good thing to change them to improper fractions. So 4 plus times 1 is 4 plus 3 is 7/4. So I have 4/9 times 7/4. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11/5 x. Now on the left side I can cancel 4 goes in once, 4 goes in once, as long as one's on the top and the bottom. So I have 7/9 equals 11/5 x. So what I'm going to do, the next step is I'm going to multiply. I have to get the x by itself, so that's the one I work with. I multiply both sides by the reciprocal, because 5/11 times 11/5 equals just 1 or 1x. So 5/11. So we multiply the top times the top, 35, and the bottom times the bottom. Okay, this is also using proportions. I'm going to do it a little differently than Saxon, but we know these two triangles are they're called similar triangles. They're the same triangles, but this is like bigger. It's just blown up, but all the sides are proportionally bigger. It's like on a copy machine, you can make something larger. So all I have to do is make sure that I have the right angle. So I'm going to do y, which is across from the double tick mark, and 5. So y is to 5, and then I pick another 3. Well, that's opposite the triple tick marks, is to 2. 2 is opposite the so y is to 5 equals 3/2. Now Saxon says you can cross multiply and then divide, but you can just multiply both sides by 5 here to get y by itself. Because when you multiply by 5, it cancels, so 15/2. Now the other ratio is I pick x, which is opposite the single tick mark. So I look in this triangle, 4 is opposite. So I go x is to 4, and then I can use the same proportion, 3 is to 2. X equals over 4 equals 3/2. Saxon would have you cross multiply, but if you just multiply both sides by 4, you get x by itself. The 2's cancel, so 3 times 2 is 6. Anyway, good luck. Bye.